Hi guys, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and this is day 9 of our double page layout using the Simply Paisley scrapbook kit, and the links to Anna Griffin will be in my comments. And so here is the one page layout and here is the other one, and that's what we're going to make today. So let me put it off to the side. This is what the album looks like. It comes with the album and all the items. I do add 2 extra page protectors because it comes with 10 and I like a 12 because I like a double page layout for 12 months instead of 10 months. That's how I do it. Anyway, so let's get started. I'm going to tell you exactly, this is it if you want to screenshot it. And the other one is this. So this is what it looks like side by side, so it's level. So let's get started, and I'll tell you exactly what you need for the double page layout. We do need to pop dot an item, and I did remember to do it this time, thank goodness. So this is a border strip that comes with it, and I'm not doing any dies or anything. This is for beginners, because if you don't have the dies, you really can't then follow along. So here is this. You need 2, 1 for each page. You need 2 of these, 1 for each page, a journaling. 2 of these, 2 for each page, so you need 4. You need laugh. And your extra papers, you're going to have this, and so you're going to get the purple 1 inch each, 2 of them, 1 inch by 12, so you're going to need 4 altogether. You need 2 of these, 1 for each page. You need 2 of these, 1 for each page. You need, let's see, these are going the same direction, so you need 4 of these. We're going to have it like that. And then you need 2 of these, and they're going the same direction too, so you need 4. So, okay. So I put this as the top, and this is the way the direction's going for me. So we're going to start at the top and work our way down. Actually, we are going to not start at the top, because I remember when I did this 6 months ago prepping and it took this long. Let me look at the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right at the 5. So this is 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do 3 up and a hair. So we're going to take the purple one. We're going to work from the middle down and up. That way I can get it as centered. So 1, 2, 3 and a half, and I'm going to put it right here and go straight across. And then we're going to use this one, and we're going to take the little pieces off. Sometimes they just don't want to come off. I left the backing on it, that way it doesn't get dust or anything later in the years to come. I only have the pop dots that are sticky. Man, okay, that took a minute. And I use hot glue because they go to Florida and the humidity, which we have pretty bad humidity here too. So okay, so now we're going to put that right on top of it, and we're going to just hide that purple top, and it looks like it's going to go all the way underneath the maroon. And then we're going to take this one and just stick it right underneath and hide it. And so now that purple looks like it went underneath, and we saved paper and was able to use it somewhere else. So since this is so tight, that's why I did that. These photo cards came with it. everything. So these are sticking straight together. So this is 6 inches, and I know that this is only like 1/8 of an inch and sticking together and going right there. So the crease is right at the 6 inches, or the two of them meeting is at the 6 inches. So there we go. We're going to take the word laugh and put it in the middle. So if you share my videos of Anna Griffin stuff, I have a monthly giveaway for Anna Griffin, and it's dies, and I made a video about it. And so once a month, if you share and follow me and I can see that you shared, I will put you in the list of a giveaway, and you will have a chance to win. The U is the center and the 6 is the center, so we're going to put it like that. But you'll have a chance to win some of these dies. I have so many extras, and these are like $45 to $60 depending on the die, so it's a pretty good giveaway. But I have an Anna Griffin giveaway. I have another giveaway from another company, but this one is Anna. If it's Anna, you get Anna stuff. So we're going to stick this right here. We're going to stick this, and I'm only going to put a little bit of glue right down the middle, and the reason why is if you need to put a I'm going to turn it a little to hide that tail. If you need to put a picture underneath it, you see how there's a lip and you can put a picture underneath it? See right here where you can put a picture underneath it? And let's see, this one, and I'm only going to put a strip of glue right down the middle for the same reason on this one. So what we're going to do is put it right about here, and then we can still tuck a picture underneath there. And so now this is going right here. We can peel this one off. Most of everything is stickers. Even the three-dimensional flowers right here are stickers. So that's nice. So we are going to put that right about here, and we're going to twist it so that the flowers can hide it. So what we're going to do is try to, we know the U and that is centered, so we're trying to get it as centered as possible and put it like this. So for time purposes, I'm just going to put some glue on here. And I think I had it this way and this way. Yeah, let's move this one. So this one's going here, and this one going here. I just wanted to cover up more of the red flowers than the roses, so that's why I moved it. So we're going to twist it, and then this goes in the middle. And the reason why it's going this way in this direction is because the paper shows it going that way in that direction too. So I try to think of everything, and we're going to set it right there. So there is that page layout, and then it is identical except for all this is shifted to one side, and then this is shifted to the other side, and these are together. So let me just show you one more time. Okay, so there you go. There is number 9. We only have a few more and we'll be done with this series, and I can't wait to show you my next series. I am so excited about it. I've already got it all lined up. I'm not going to wait 6 months. It's going to be right after this. So remember, guys, about the giveaway, and sharing is caring. And thank you. Have a blessed day. The link to Anna Griffin will be in the comments.